Okay, so my AC unit sounds like this. It's loud, obnoxious, and I know at some point it's going to fail. Yes, people will say it'll work for a while, but when's it going to fail? On the hottest day of the year, which will be 4th of July and no one open. So I'm going to take this open and we'll look at it. Okay, so that's making noise, and while I'm in here I might as well change that. So let's get to it. First I gotta turn this off. Okay, so I turned it off inside, and my power comes up through these two. So I got a voltometer, and I'm gonna put it on AC. And I've got 247 volts. So I've got to turn it off over there. And slide that down. Come back here. I got 1/2 volt, which is nominal. Go to ground. Nothing. Okay, so I went online, bought this contactor. It's not the same part number, but it does the same job. So I've got the shunt here and one contact, 24 volt coil, so it's the same. So I'm gonna start doing it. Numbers are the same. I'm gonna back this off, push that all the way down in the hole. Ready to test this out now. So I'm going to turn the breaker on here, go inside and move the thermostat, and then we'll see how loud that is. Okay, so I've turned it on and it's nice and quiet. So that was making the noise. Cost me $21, $18 on eBay. It wasn't the same part number, but it was something that matched a single pole with a shunt and the connectors. So I'm going to button this up and call it good. So hope this helps you with a noisy AC unit. So anyway, thanks for watching.